Hey guys, what's up? We back with some more Puffin Crossings fun. So here we are at A53 Leek New Road. It's Telent SK4. Amber, red. Amber, green. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again with another video. Bye.